Hey everybody, how you doing? And welcome back to ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Ramos, your host, and in this video, I want to talk about NFTs. And I can make a 50-minute long video when it comes to NFTs, but I'll keep it short in this one. I'm here showing you OpenSea.io, which is the main marketplace for NFTs using the Ethereum blockchain. But now, my experience with NFT, I think if you're watching this, you probably have on the back of your mind an idea that you buy something like this picture behind me and you can become a millionaire or rich or have a great profit while you buy it and then resell it in the market. And although that could be true, there's so many different factors, experiences, good ones, bad ones, money lost, money gain, that anyone in the NFT business can go. And I can share with you in my case, as I was learning about NFTs, I knew that I was gonna lose a little bit of money along the way, but I then learned that the way you profit the most and you do much better is by engaging with the community from that project, either joining the Discord server, following their Twitter account, looking at their white paper, at the roadmap, who is building the project, what is the utility, what they're actually trying to accomplish. Is it gonna be just art, or will it have a utility attached? So any holder and member of that NFT collection will have something else than just having the NFT, the non-fungible token. And the difference is, let's imagine this is a $20 bill. If I have a $20 bill, I can get another $20 bill in exchange, and that is a fungible transaction. But with the NFT picture I'm showing you behind me, one of the things you're gonna realize immediately in the marketplace is I can just go ahead and list this for $1,000, but that doesn't mean it is worth $1,000. It might be less that is worth, or it might be even more, and I'm not realizing that. So you can leave money on the table, but you can also lose a lot of money, but just have it there because nobody's gonna buy it from you because you're crazy at that point. You see what I'm saying? So when it comes to NFTs, you have different blockchains. You have Ethereum, you have Cardano, which is popping up just lately. You have Kronos, which is doing well as well. Solana, you have different NFT collections, and sometimes you don't need to belong to a full blockchain to promote your NFTs. For example, you can be attached in a different company, like Gemini has nifty website where they have their NFT collection, which of course comes from the Ethereum blockchain, and you can also attach it to Polygon. So what I'm saying is, it's so mixed, it's so wide, it's so different, the world of NFTs, and anyone can just create that smart contract with the knowledge necessary, and at the end create your own collection. That is a beautiful thing. It can range from 5,000, 10,000. You can make it about 100. Really depends what your budget is and what your strategy for the NFT is. But let me just go ahead and show you a little bit here. OpenSea, of course, the number one, because let me go ahead and show you the rankings. You're going to realize that, well, one Ethereum is pretty expensive now. And it was early in 2022 and, of course, back in 2021. But right now, one Ethereum is roughly $1,400 or so. And just take a look at this one. When we look at the last 30 days. In the last 30 days, who is winning? CryptoPunks and Bored Ape Yacht Club. And the floor price, which means the lowest NFT in that collection is value at 2.18 Ethereum and 84 Ethereum. So that is a lot of Ethereum. That is a lot of money. That is millionaire status, everybody. So you should have a lot of money if you're planning to buy one Bored Ape Yacht Club. Now, do you really need to buy one Bored Ape to belong to the NFT community? Absolutely not. You can go to a different lower tier collection, or get out to another blockchain and explore. There's so many different marketplaces. For example, if I can show it to you, there's the JPEG store here for Cardano, which instead of paying 1 point something thousand for one NFT, you can buy one. I'm gonna go ahead and open the marketplace for a couple 175 Cardano, 45 Cardano, and that is a much reliable and cost-effective, like I would say, affordable place and way to start your NFT journey, right? So NFTs in all are in my opinion another way for you to profit, right? Right now in a bear market, we've seen the NFTs go down a lot, and doesn't mean that they're, everything is just going to zero. However, a lot of great people have said that 95% of the entire NFT collections will go to zero eventually. So there's just a thin margin of the projects that currently exist that will make it when we come back. And I somewhat agree to that. I know that there's just an abundance of collections that are just scams, rug pulls, or are just not bringing enough, they don't have the competitive advantage or something that makes them unique. And you will see that once you start your journey in NFTs. In all, if you're barely starting, go ahead and keep learning, because NFTs are cool. If you buy, hold it on that one. You may have a lot of benefits. Thank you for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye.